Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.2 question number 1. Complete the table with the help of these boxes and use decimals to write the number. Now question number A. Question number A is, first of all we have to find how many squares are there, right? Or how many boxes are there. Let us find the horizontal boxes in this direction. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means in horizontal direction there are 10 boxes, right? And also count the in vertical direction, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this direction also there are 10 boxes. That means 10 total boxes will be total box or total squares, total box squares is equal to 10 into 10, that is 100. 10 into 10, and that is equal to 100 boxes. 100 boxes. Now we will count in how many boxes there are balls, right? So we will count in this way. We are counting. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, right? There are 26 balls in the box, right? Total balls in the box, total balls, total balls in box in square square is equal to 26. And what is the fraction? The fraction out of 100, there are 26 balls or squares. 26 balls in the squares. That is 26 by 100. And 26, if we divide 26 by 100, we will get, here you see 100, that means 2 zeros are there. Therefore, you have to shift the point in the left direction 2 places. That is this one, this one. That means 0.26. 0.26. Here you know that this is ones place, ones. This one is 10th place. This one is 10th place, and this one is 100th place, hundredths. Right? Now, if we put the number here, that is in ones place we'll write 0. In ones place we write 0. In tens place we'll write, in 10th place we write 2, and in 100th place we'll write 6. Therefore, the number is 0.26. Therefore, the number is 0.26. Right? Now, we'll solve question number B. Question number B is, here you find question number B. Again, we'll count the squares in the horizontal direction. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in vertical direction, 1, it is 10 in the horizontal direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In vertical direction there are 10 boxes, right? If you multiply, that is 10 into 10, that is total, that there are 100 boxes, right? Total there are 100 boxes. And boxes are squares. How many balls are there in the square? You see, all the balls, in all the squares there are balls, right? That means 100 balls, right? 100 balls in 100 squares, that is 100 by 100, 100 by 100, plus in these boxes. How many see? You see in the same way, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes. And in the vertical direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the vertical direction, 10. That means total squares is 10 into 10, that is 100, right? Total square is 10 into 10, that is 100. That is 100. And you find how many balls are there in the square. If you count the squares, count the squares. Here it is 10, here it is 10, here it is 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30. And this was 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Total 38. Then out 38. Right? 100 by 100 by 100. If we change into lowest form, that is 1 by 1, that is equal to 1, plus 38 by 100. If we divide 38 by 100, it will come to 0.38. Why? Because it is divided by 100. Divided by 100 means the point was there. Where? 338. Here is the point, right? Now, if we divide by 100, then this point will come left two places because there are two zeros. That is 1, 2, 0.38, right? Now, if we add 1 with 0.38, 1 can be written as 1.00 and 0.38, 0.38. If we add this one, we will get 8. It is 3. It is 1.38. We are getting this is equal to 1.38. Is equal to 1.38. Now with the place value, we know the place value. The place value of 1 is ones. The place value of 1 is ones. The place value of 3 is tenths. Tenths. And the place value of 8 is hundredths. That is hundredths. HUNDREDTHS, right? This is the hundredth place, right? Now, what is the number? Here in the table you see that the place value of 1 is ones. In ones we will write 1. In ones place we will write 1. In tenth place it is 3. And in hundredth place it is 8. And the number will be 1.38, right? Now the next question, question number C. In question number C, you see how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In horizontal direction there are 10 squares, and in vertical directions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vertical direction there are 10 squares. The total squares is 10 into 10, that is 100. Total squares is 10 into 10, that is 100. right? And how many balls are there in the squares? That is same, that is 10 into 10, that is 100. That is out of 100, it is 100, right? 100 upon 100 plus. Now, in these boxes, how many boxes are there? In the second box, you have to count again. Count this one. That is the vertical direction 1, 2, horizontal direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Horizontal direction 10. In vertical direction, you count this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vertical direction 10 and horizontal direction 10. That is 10 into 10 is 100. That means total boxes or squares is 100. And how many balls are there in the squares? Then you have to count again. Count this one. That is, if you count the balls also, let us count the ball. Here it is in the first row it is 10, in the second row it is 10. In the first row there are 10 balls. In the first row there are 10 balls. In the second row there are 10 balls, that is 10 plus 10, 20, and this is 21, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28, that means 28 by 100. That is equal to 28 by 100. 28 by 100. If we change into lowest term, that is 0 will cut. This 0 and this 0, 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. Plus 28 by 100. If we divide 28 by 100, we will got 0.28. And if we add 1 with 0.28, we will get 1 can be written as 1.00 and 0.28 can be written as 0.28. If we add this one, you will get 82.1. That is 1.28. That is equal to 1.28. Now you see, this is the ones place. This is the ones place, and 2 is in the tens place. 2 is in the tens place. Tens. 2 is in the tens place, and 8 is in the hundredth place. 8 is in the hundredth place. HUNDREDTHS. I'll put the number in the place value table. Therefore, ones is in ones. In ones you have to write 1. In ones you have to write 1. In tenth you have to write 2. And in hundredth place that is 8. And the number is 1.28. 0.28, right? This is the solution of question number 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.